Okay, dear students, now we have completed chapter number 7, but we'll revise a bit on this. Company meetings 1, which I have explained you that though it is company meetings, but all these points which we have covered, that is notice, agenda, quorum, authority, or minutes, voting, these all will be applicable in any type of meeting which I have told you कि किसी भी टाइप का मीटिंग रखेंगे तो ये पॉइंट्स कवर होते हैं. ये ज़्यादा थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स से विच वी आर कवरिंग फॉर द चैप्टर. ओके, so I have explained you that joint stock company is a popular form of business organizations where people or members, we can say, are scattered over the wide area. Means they are not at one place. एक जगह पे न होने के कारण वो क्या करते हैं, they are not able to come directly, therefore they get the work done through the board of directors. But as a owner, to get the information, to give the suggestion, they have to attend the meeting. And then I have explained you about the importance of the meeting. Meeting, it's opportunity for members to come together to speak on the matters. Then 2 minutes of the previous meetings are read. Then fixation, implementation of the policy has to be done. Problems are to be analyzed and solution are to be found. Then legal requirement is complete in this. Other elements are there. Legal conditions we have to fulfill. Okay, then comes the essentials for valid meeting is proper authority should send a notice for the meeting. So it should be duly conveyed, properly constituted and properly conducted. This has to be done according to Company Act and article. Then proper authority, which I have told you, shareholders can ask for the meeting if board of directors are not keeping. But actually board of directors are the person who can have to call the meeting. Members can call, national law tribunal can be called, or the central government can call in special circumstances. Then comes the notice. Notice, I told you, it is an advance intimation, written information containing date, time and place of the meeting given by the company to all those who are entitled to receive it. Okay, in correspondence with directors, I have explained you, first letter was of that only, where the date, time, place and type of the meeting we have to mention. It was given to you. Special resolution, if it's to be passed, that had to be mentioned in it. Okay, board of directors are the proper authority to send a notice, and this will differ from meeting to meeting. Okay, shareholders meeting, all shareholders, AGM is there, auditors, legal representatives in case of general meeting, in joint holders, first person, and in case of directors, all the directors have to attend all the board meeting and general meetings. Then period of notice should be 21 clear days. And by how to send a notice, by way of hand delivery or by ordinary post at a registered address within or outside the India. Or if someone wants with a registered post, they have to pay the charges in advance. Okay, so notice in the leading newspaper of the area has to be given, and Ministry of Environment has said about the send through the email also. Okay, when special business transacted, general meeting, an explanatory statement has to be given, and omission to give notice means deliberately if they are not sending the notice. Omission means omitting, means leaving someone. So if it deliberately means janbujhke, means deliberately by it is not by just instance or by let of mind, it is deliberately done, means it is done on the behalf of company. So if someone is not sent the notice deliberately, meeting will be invalid. Next point coming was agenda, means that the points to be discussed in the meeting. Okay, without agenda the meeting cannot be conducted, which I have explained you in the lecture. That has to be prepared along with the help of chairman, and it has to be arranged in such a way that in the meeting point one after one is taken into consideration. जब मीटिंग रखी जाएगी उसमें एजेंडा के हिसाब से पॉइंट्स लिए जाते हैं. जो एजेंडा में फर्स्ट पॉइंट है फर्स्ट लिया जाएगा, जो लास्ट तक जाते हैं लास्ट तक जाएगा. वेयर स्टेटमेंट एजेंडा, वेयर ऑल थिंग्स आर डिस्क्राइब्ड इन ब्रीफ, और ड्राफ्ट मिनट्स एजेंडा इन विच डिटेल्स items are given in details, right? Then comes the quorum, which I told you that minimum members required for the meeting. Now I give you the example that in the school also, इफ़ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स आर एबसेंट, बहुत स्टूडेंट्स एबसेंट हैं, 50 स्टूडेंट्स के क्लास में 40 स्टूडेंट एबसेंट है, तो क्या करते थे, क्लास कंबाइन करते थे, और अगर सब क्लास में यही हाल है तो वी वर गिवन द लीव. So here also quorum is fixed from the company Act 2013, and if somebody wants to change, it is according to them. So provisions for the quorum, it was said that quorum depends on the number of the shareholders, and this was a gap given that not more than 1,000 5 members, 1,000 5,000 15 members, and more than 5,000 30 members. In case of 2 person, in case of the private company, and in quorum for the board meeting, 1/3 or the total number of directors or 2 directors, whichever is higher. I give you total example कि अगर 3 जने हैं डायरेक्टर हैं तो एक जना नहीं आएगा, ऐसे जगह पे 2. So up to 6 it will be same. After more than 7 directors are there, the figure is going to change. Okay, then and next part was voting. Voting we know we take when we are in deadlock or we want to know the opinion. Okay, opinion of others. So votings are taken in different ways. First by voice, आवाज़ से किया जाएगा, say yes or I, and afterwards it will be asked to say no and the voice will be equated. Generally ऐसा मोशन तभी लेते हैं जब हमको वन साइडेड रहता है कि आंसर हाँ या ना में ही आने वाला है, बिकॉज दिस कैनॉट बी ऑथेंटिक. मीन्स वी कैन से पीपल somebody has said yes also and no also, दोनों में हम yes के टाइम पे भी हम आवाज़ दिया, no के टाइम पे भी आवाज़ दिया. डबलिंग और नॉट गिविंग द वॉइस, और voice of the certain people is very strong, so that can be differences. Voting by division, we can say voting by divisions means come to my left hand, come to my right hand, means it is clearly open to known to all person is favoring or not. So voting by division is also not completely authentic, as secrecy cannot be maintained. Same is the case in show of hands. The people who are interested or yes, they will raise the hands, counting is done. Then afterwards again the people who are not in favor are asked to raise the hand, counting is done. Doubling of counting is possible. People may some members may raise the hand in both, so that it is not complete authentic, but generally it is taken in the directors meeting. Voting by ballot on a simple paper, we have to write yes or no and we have to put in the drop box. Okay, this is correct. Next is voting electronically, means central government has prescribed certain companies for having compulsory electronic voting in general meeting. Members may exercise their vote by electronic means. Okay, electronic means also is possible. Voting by postal ballot means central government may prescribe certain companies for having the postal ballot, means the person is not present, then he can send by the post. And the last is voting by poll form. The difference between ballot and poll form is that in the poll form, the voting is according to number of shares. One person holds 100 share, means his share will be having the weightage of 100 votes, and one is having 10 votes, then his weightage will be of 10 votes, right? And all others have explained you in the theory that all the legal provisions and what are the merits and demerits of the voting. But voting has to be done compulsory. After the poll form of voting, no other voting is taken. It is final. Okay. A resolution, I have explained you, accepted motion after the discussion and voting. When the point is accepted, it is called as resolution. Ordinary means 51% vote. Special resolution, 3/4 votes in favor, that is 75%. There are certain examples which I have explained you, like change of name, change of the register address, which require the special resolution. Resolution requiring special notice means special notice has to be given for this resolution, like to appoint another person as auditor in place of retiring one, or remove director before his expiry of his period and appoint someone. Okay, the resolution requiring registration means the resolution which is to be registered with the registrar of company. Registration by circulation, it is done in the board meeting, means any point is to be discussed or it is to be passed, but there is no time to keep the meeting. Then the resolution is passed circularly, means in home they will be given and they will pass the resolution. There are certain points for invalid resolution. Minutes, I told you, it is a accepted motion. The secretary has to draft the minutes within 15 days after the meeting and write in the minute books. In the next meeting, these minutes are read and approved. Also, I've explained you that it is a authentic record. It can be act as evidence, future references, legal provisions, means all things. Therefore, minutes is very important. Now, after that, we'll continue with the company meetings part 2. Okay. Now, in company meetings part 1, we learned about the different aspects of the keeping meeting. Means what are the different points we have to consider while meeting. In company meetings part 2, we are going to learn the different type of meeting which is kept in the company. Here, this chapter is connected only with the company. That is company meetings. First chapter I told you, their company meetings part 1 it was, but the meetings anywhere it will be there. This point will come. What is agenda of the meeting? What is notice of the meeting? What should be the quorum? Where are the minutes? Okay, that was connected with overall meetings. Now, this chapter it is connected only with the company meetings. So there are different types of meeting which we have to learn. Types of meeting, company meetings, shareholders meetings, directors meeting, and creditors meeting. Shareholders meeting, general and class. General meeting means all type of shareholders. Class meeting means particular type like equity shares, preference shares, and all. Annual general meeting, extraordinary general meeting. Which one is this? That we have to inform. Means once in a year AGM has to be kept. Extraordinary meeting, general meeting, it may be kept, it may not be kept. एक साल में 2-3 मीटिंग भी रख सकते हैं एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी की, एक भी नहीं रखें, देयर इज़ नो कंपल्शन, बट दिस हैज़ टू बी कंपल्सरी kept. Directors meeting, board and committee. Board meetings means board of directors meeting, which we have learned in first letter, and committee meetings means we are making certain times a small committee like allotment of shares. So committee is made, they keep the meetings. Once the shares are allotted, that committee is dissolved. There is any labor problem, so 2-3 members are appointed as a committee. They'll talk to the laborers, matter solved, committee is finished. Like that, committees meetings are there. And creditors meetings, those who give the loan capital to company, that this is their meetings. Okay. So in joint stock company, there are separation of ownership and management. Hence, there is a need to conduct meetings of the shareholders and board of directors. Several types of shareholders meetings and directors meetings are conducted by company. Okay. As I explained you, because joint of stock of company, the owners are not present at the on spot. They are away. So naturally, in these meetings, they are given the details. They come face to face. Okay. So therefore, different types of shareholders meeting and directors meetings are kept to run the company. As there is separation in ownership and management. Owners should know what is going on in the company. Management has to tell them what is going on. Now coming to first, shareholders meeting. Shareholders participate in the management of the company. They exclusive their rights to manage the company by participating in shareholders meetings. Shareholder meetings are arranged and discussed on various issues and arrive at decisions. What they say? Ki shareholders participate in the management of company. How they are participating? By coming in the meeting, giving their suggestions. If the board of directors doesn't keep the meeting, they can call for the meeting of the company. Okay, they come in the meeting, they exercise their right by in the company by participating means they give their knowledge, they have the discussion with the directors. Okay, and are arranged to shareholders meetings are arranged for discussing various matters, right? So general meetings there are equity shareholders of the company. There are 2 types of meeting: annual general meeting and extraordinary general meeting, which I told you 2, AGM and extraordinary. AGM, section 86. AGM, annual general meeting is a meeting of the equity shareholders which is held once in every financial year. ये साल में एक बार कंपलसरी रखी जाती है. Okay, compulsory, it is kept once, which I told you first also. And the second one is extraordinary general meeting. Section 100 says that meeting which is held to discuss and decide up special or urgent matters is called extraordinary general meeting. Such special matters which are transacted at EGM are called as a special business. Okay, means now the meeting is over. आज मीटिंग पूरी हो गई, 2 महीने बाद कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, नेक्स्ट मीटिंग विल बी हेल्ड नेक्स्ट ईयर, सो वी कांट वेट, देयरफॉर वी हैव टू कीप द मीटिंग इन द मिडल. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी जनरल मीटिंग. Business transact is called special business. Okay, and generally it is observed that whatever special resolution which I told you, special resolution requiring 3/4 or 75% majority. Such resolution are mostly passed in a this meeting, which is called as extraordinary general meeting. Such meeting are called in emergency only, not for the routine matters. Okay, rest we'll see in details in the next lecture. Thank you.